Many adults over 60 notice that small movements feel harder than they used to. Walking on uneven ground feels risky. Turning quickly feels uncertain. Even standing still can feel shaky at times. Before we go any further, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This channel is dedicated to helping you move better, stay independent, and age stronger with safe, realistic strategies. Here's something important most people are never told. Balance problems in seniors are incredibly common, and they are not caused by age alone. Balance declines with age because of specific changes inside the body, changes that are trainable when approached the right way. And the good news is this: with the right kind of balance training for seniors, you can improve stability, reduce fall risk after 60, and rebuild confidence without risky or painful exercises. In this video, I'll explain why balance gets worse with age, what's really happening inside your body, and how to train balance safely, even if you're just getting started. Most adults are told that balance loss is just part of getting older. They're told to slow down, be careful, accept it. But that message creates a bigger problem. When people believe balance loss is unavoidable, they move less. And when movement decreases, balance problems actually get worse. The truth is this: balance doesn't disappear because of age. It declines because the systems that control balance stop being challenged and trained. As balance declines with age, people often experience increased fall risk after 60, reduced walking stability, fear of stairs or uneven ground, and loss of confidence moving through daily life. Here's the proof. Balance is not one skill. It's a system, and that system includes muscles, nerves, posture, reaction time, and the inner ear. As we age, muscle loss with aging reduces strength in the legs and hips. Reaction time slows with age. Proprioception, body awareness, declines. Inner ear balance signals become less precise. Posture shifts forward, affecting stability. None of this means balance can't improve. It simply means balance training for seniors must be specific, progressive, and safe. And that leads to the promise. With the right approach, adults can improve balance after 60, reduce fall risk, and move with confidence again, without dangerous exercises. Why balance systems weaken with age? Most people think balance is just standing on one foot. In reality, balance is a system made up of 3 main parts working together. When balance declines with age, one or more of these systems weakens. Let's break them down. 1. The brain-muscle connection. The first system is the connection between your brain and your muscles. As we age, neuromuscular signals slow down. That means messages from the brain don't reach the muscles as quickly or as clearly. This affects coordination, reaction time, and the ability to recover from small missteps. That's why reaction time slows with age. It's not that muscles stop working. It's that they're not being asked to respond often enough. 2. Muscle loss reduces stability. The second system is muscle strength. Balance relies heavily on the hips, thighs, calves, and core. With muscle loss with aging, these areas weaken if they aren't trained intentionally. Strong muscles act like shock absorbers. When they weaken, balance becomes less stable, even during normal walking. This is one of the biggest reasons fall risk after 60 increases. 3. Inner ear and AMP, body awareness changes. The third system is the vestibular system in the inner ear. This system helps your brain understand head position and movement. With vestibular system aging, signals become less precise. At the same time, proprioception declines, your body's ability to sense where it is in space. That's why uneven ground feels harder, and low lighting increases balance problems in seniors. 4. Posture and AMP, joint stiffness. Finally, posture plays a major role. As joints stiffen and posture shifts forward, center of gravity changes, muscles work harder to stabilize, balance becomes less efficient. This is why posture and balance are closely connected. Why most balance exercises are risky. When people realize their balance isn't great, they often search for balance exercises for seniors. And what they usually find looks like this: standing on one leg with no support, balancing on unstable surfaces, closing the eyes, or trying to test balance. Here's the problem. Many of these are balance tests, not balance training. They assume balance is already strong enough to handle instability. When balance declines with age, the body often lacks strength, reaction speed, and coordination. Testing balance before rebuilding these systems increases injury risk. Unstable tools are often introduced too early. Fast movements overwhelm the nervous system when reaction time slows with age. Poor posture during balance drills shifts stress to the knees and back. That's why balance training without injury must always come before balance challenges. The safe balance training framework. Balance improves best through a progressive, layered approach. Layer 1. Strength. First, before balance can improve, the muscles that support balance must be strong enough. This includes the hips, legs, calves, and deep core. Strength training improves standing balance, walking stability, and confidence moving. This is why strength comes before balance challenges. Layer 2. Posture and amp. Alignment. Balance works best when the body is stacked correctly. As posture improves, many people notice balance improving automatically. Posture and balance should always be trained together. Layer 3. Supported balance training. The safest way to train balance is with support. Holding a chair or countertop allows the nervous system to practice balance, build confidence, and learn proper movement. Support reduces fear while still improving balance. Layer 4. Controlled weight shifting. Before single leg balance, the body learns balance through slow weight shifts. Side to side. Front to back. This improves proprioception and walking stability. Layer 5. Single leg balance, when ready. Single leg balance is helpful when the body is prepared. Even then, it should start with support and short durations. Progress always follows control, not the other way around. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, make sure you're subscribed. New videos are posted regularly to help you improve balance, strength, and confidence safely after 60. Longevity, independence, and amp. Confidence. Balance isn't just about exercise. It's about freedom. Freedom to walk without hesitation. Freedom to move without fear. Freedom to stay independent. Balance declines with age because the systems that support it stop being trained. When those systems are rebuilt safely and progressively, balance can improve at any age. When balance improves, walking stability improves, fall risk decreases, posture improves, confidence returns. That's why the real goal of balance training for seniors isn't perfection. It's confidence. Confidence to move. Confidence to walk. Confidence to live actively. If you focus on strength first, posture second, and balance training that feels controlled and safe, you're not just training balance, you're protecting your long-term independence. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Senior Strategy. This channel is here to help you move better, stay independent, and age stronger, safely and realistically.